I made new syrup for my hummingbirds, and these birds just keep drinking all morning. So she come and she drink, and then she sit on top of the trees next to it or right on top on the feeder, and then she eat again. And I'm just afraid that she will fall off and, lie down on the ground overeaten. Look, she's here again. She's just keep eating. Oh, she will be so fat. Have you ever heard about hummingbird overeating? I don't know, I feel bad for her. Maybe I made it too sweet so that she just can't stop drinking it.